Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can download WinRAR. Someone called it WinRAR and someone called it WinRAR, something like that. So it's up to you what you want to call, but the correct pronunciation is WinRAR. So guys, I will tell you how to download it. So simply you have to open your internet, go on Google, and simply you have to type WinRAR. By clicking on that, the website you will open of WinRAR, it's the official website. You can read out the link as well. It's win/rar.com. You just have to open that. Then you have to click on download. You don't need to buy it. You can simply download it. After that, you have to click on that download. Then it will ask the location where you want to download. In my case, I want to download it in desktop, so I will save it here, and then you can see the software is downloaded. So in next video I will tell you that how you can install it without any cost, without any so much time consuming. So guys, that's it for today's video. Today I told you that how you can download WinRAR. So that's it. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe Easy Fix Tech Tips. Bye bye.